So let's directly get to the point that how you can use or search new filters on Instagram, and how will you capture the photos using those filters, and even if you have already a photo in your gallery, then how you can apply the Instagram filters on that already made photo. So first let's see that how you can use the filters in the Instagram camera. And for that purpose you have to first of all open the Instagram app, and next you have to swipe to the right and your camera will be opened, and here if you swipe right or left you will see Instagram filters. To the right from this home button you have the new filters suggested by the Instagram, and to the left of this home button you will have your saved filters. Means these are the filters you have saved for your later use. Here are the filters suggested by Instagram, and if you want to search a new filter you have to swipe to the hard right of all of these filters, and the most right option in this list is this magnifier icon. So you gotta tap on this and you can search any of the filters you want from this list, and Instagram has categorized it for us. Here are the trending filters and appearing, and if you want an aesthetic filter you can get the one from here. Let's for example choose this filter and it will be applied to your camera. And if you want to save this filter for later use you can simply tap this button here and this filter will be saved in your filters list for later use. And as you can see I have this filter left to my home button. So that's how you apply a filter on your Instagram camera. Now the method number 2 is if you have already saved a photo in your gallery, then how you can apply the filter on that one. So for that purpose you have to tap on this little gallery icon here. So you gotta tap on this and select the photo on which you want to apply the filter. For example this is the photo here, and now for applying any filter on this photo you gotta tap on this 3-star icon here, and all of your saved filters will be displayed here. And moreover you will get the suggested filters by Instagram and you can apply any filter on it, and after that you have to press the done button and go next, and after that you can simply share it or save it to your gallery by tapping on these 3 dots icon. So that's how you do it. The first method we discussed is applying or searching the filter for your Instagram camera, and the second method is for the photos you have saved in your gallery, so how you can apply the Instagram filters on those photos. Now if you have any other questions let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.